The 8-point roll bar is a good choice for any 79 to 83 Fox Body Coupe owner or hatchback owner who's looking to stiffen up and properly support their chassis, especially if the Mustang is used for racing applications since it's NHRA approved. Installing the roll bar properly does require some drilling and welding, so expect a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter for this one. The older Fox Body unibody designs could use a little more safety and support, especially when pushing higher horsepower numbers and running your pony at the track, whether it be autocross or straight line driving. Now, the roll bar provides that additional support and prevents unwanted chassis flex, which tends to happen with forced induction setups on built motors and sticky tires. This kit is featuring a 1 3/4 inch by 0.134 inch well steel tubing, and it meets the NHRA requirements for track use. The 8-point design reinforces its function, and the top overhead bar is great for providing additional safety in the case of a rollover accident. Obviously, it does a lot more in the way of safety than a simple harness bar. I do want to point out that this one bar I have on the table with me is not the entire kit. This is just that top bar I'm talking about. We do have a ton more pieces that goes along with this bar. It's just we don't have a lot of room on the table. Now, it goes without saying, but using the roll bar does eliminate the use of your rear seats. It's a good idea to go with the rear seat delete when installing these because that eliminates the extra weight of the seat, which can't be used once it's installed anyway. Now, if you're installing this just for race appearance but don't really plan on doing much track work, that's fine as well, so the rear seat delete won't be as necessary. Just keep in mind that this is not going to be something that you want to use with your rear seat. The roll bar comes right around the $350 mark, which isn't the most expensive, but it's definitely a bit more than just a simple support brace. There are some pretty serious modifications involved in getting this installed, so you want to have an expert on hand if you're doing it yourself. There's welding, drilling, and other sorts of mods that do push this one up to the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. It'll take about a full day in the shop to get this one done with the full toolbox on deck and then some. So just to wrap this one up, if you're the owner of a 79 to 83 Coupe or hatchback Fox Body Mustang, you might want to check out the 8-point roll bar, which is available right here at AmericanMuscle.com.